Morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time you're watching this, welcome back to Bruce's Workshop. Today topic I'm doing to talk about, I think you might interested because you are here, make money with 3D printings. Well, I put a question mark, because a lot of people don't understand how to make money with 3D printing. First, I want to ask, why are you here? I can't ask you. So I will predict you are to these kind of people. Number one, I'm thinking you may don't even have any 3D printers and is seeking the opportunity to start up a 3D printing business with low-cost China-built 3D printer or others. This is the first type of people I guess you are here. The second type, you already have 3D printer, do nothing at home, collecting dust maybe, and thinking maybe you could use it to earn some money. Or just hobbies, and don't want to stay at the machine you spend money on top. But okay, you may have these two type of people. And next, who am I? I'm Bruce. I'm doing 3D printing solution. Well, I'm always 3D printing every day. I'm doing for last 6 years. Even I got daytime work and nighttime work before, and now I'm full time. And I own this website, the b3donline.com. It's in Malaysia. If you're from another country, sitting nearby you, that would be easier. This video is sponsored by myself, which is b3d online to myself, which is no one paying me. Well, I sponsor myself to do this video. So what? And the reason I want to do this, I want to share a more healthy market. A lot of people don't understand what is 3D printing. They come into this market ruining the thing. Like previously, that first guy who some people started to do the graphic design and charge very cheap, very low cost. They don't even know how to calculate the thing and make themselves really bad. Well, talking back, this is the very important question. What is 3D printing? I already talking in the last few videos, so I'm not going to go into deep detail. How to earn money with 3D printing? You must know what is 3D printing. Simply answer, it's just a method to build a thing, a products or parts or some replacement, whatever, toys. That thing, this is the method to build that thing. If you know what is the thing you want to build, you can earn money already, right? So what is the thing you want to build? Let me give you some example, some story from my friend. Okay, one of the people, like, he is really motorcycle hobbyist, and he realized he happy to build some wing, put on the motorcycle, and the wing can build by 3D printers, right? So he learned how to 3D models it and made this happen. And a lot of people order from him, so he can happily keep printing every day and sell things for life. And I am not a cyclist, I'm not a rider, so I don't even have a motor license, so I don't understand why you put a wing like people put on the car. It won't fly, but people happy to see that, and they know their market. So I am not possible to go into that market because I'm not that kind of people. Like another example, that Nerf gun. I know there's a channel that the guys always make Nerf gun parts. He designed the part over and over again. They upgrade for every single models. Interesting. I'm kind of like that kind of stuff, but same thing. I don't have any friend to play that in Malaysia. So even I get one gun for myself, what are you shooting? So I don't know the market in here, so not possible I do. Maybe you are in Malaysia, you found that you are that kind of people and you got ideas of how to build the design, how to upgrade the part. Always start from one thing, is solving your own problems. This is how I start my 3D printing journey, but I just need a casing for Raspberry Pi to solve some engineering issue because I'm using the Pi to an industrial level sensor, and I need a casing for that. When that time, because of that, I go to build a 3D printer. So stupid thing, but until now, I'm kind of enjoying it. So that is story behind your own thing, not simply buying a printers and then look around what I can do, You should have the plan. You don't even need to invest a 3D printer in nowadays, because you can find the service everywhere. Like me, like others in Malaysia, they're doing 3D printing service as well. Of course, they got to own design. Even myself, I got to my own products. I cannot share it here because it's related to few collaboration work. And yeah, no, that's I'm not going to share what I'm doing, but I can teach you how to do thing. Next one is like you want to earn money with 3D printing. Basically is build the thing to sell, as I mentioned just now. And the second thing is like help other people to build stuff. Well, the second one is most of the people come in, they have no idea, but they think it will be easier because 3D printing seems like can build everything, right? Anything, right? So they are come here to help to be able to build stuff. Sound very great, but they have not enough skill set. Well, I'm not suggest people to come in 3D printing without any skill set, unless you really want to learn or play with it for some time, then you understand how it works, what material go to what material, you got a perfect setting for all your printers, stabilities, you know. Don't buy the cheapest Chinese printers and come to simply upload even without you own, you just print like few PNG. Come on, be realistic. You had to know the market before you get into the market, not just like go into something. I was into a comic store market. It's a so stupid thing I'm ever done before, and open shop is fail like hell, lost all the money. So I'm talking about, if you want to go in just for fun, it's fine. Just for learning, it's fine. Just for business, you want to start it as a business, please get yourself some experience, design stuff yourself, play around it. You got extra time, you got extra machine, you can do service for others. Of course, understanding the technologies itself is very, very important. There are more than one, not just FDM, like you can SLA. There's a lot of printers, and if you want to do reliable 3D printing service, is basically you had to spend more in upfront. Like you can get the industrial machine if you're able to know the market. If not, you see, I don't know, you realize or not, there is someone sharing 1 cent, I mean, oh sorry, not 1 cent, 10 cent per gram printing. Sound like you can earn some money, but in fact, he can't earn any single cent, because the calculation is not make sense unless they are just come in to grab the listing, the link, ranking. Okay, grab the ranking in the Shopee to get it high, then up price later. Could be, or they're just a few students try to earn some pocket money. So their fathers, their home parents will pay for the utilities, and he don't have to worry about the salary. Just get some pocket money to buy some stuff for fun, and the printer someone gave him. Possible. But if you really want to do business, calculation, do some accounting, you need to learn a lot of things to learn behind it. Well, I'm thinking I will put the skill set topic. What you want? What is the skill you want to learn to use 3D printing to earn money? I put this in next video. If this video 1 week got 100 likes, okay, 2 weeks, 2 weeks. Okay, I'm not confident to do that now. If 2 weeks this video got 100 like, okay, you can like and share now or subscribe, and then I share skill set. After that, I share every single skill set, what you need or how to learn or all the details you need. But what if this week don't have any likes or no people watching? Simple, I will take down this video, because no point. If the market don't need this kind of information, I close it up. Then I will become a paid workshop if you want to learn paid me, okay? But I'm sharing all this for free. If there is enough people to watch, then make worth my time. I try to help people without charging anything, but if not much people are doing, and not worth my time, right? I am actually busy. If you listen carefully, I'm not sure this mic can pick up Next to that room, there's a lot of noise. Maybe I share it later in the background videos. Well, okay, 100 likes in 1 week. Share this video with your friend who like to know about this, and see you next week, or bye bye to this video, not doing this anymore. That's it for this today video. Hope you like it and join it. Give me a like and subscribe. Goodbye and see you next video.